That's a lot message. Resignation, investigation of Emefiele over fraud allegation by APC. The People's Democratic Party demands the immediate resignation and investigation of the governor of the Central Bank of Nigeria, Governor Emefiele, going by allegations by the All Progressives Congress that he superintended over massive looting of funds in the CBN. Our party calls on the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, to immediately invite Emefiele for questioning over allegations by the National Secretary of the illegal APC National Caretaker Committee, Senator John Akpan Udo-Odehe, that the CBN governor supervised over the pillaging of the nation's vaults under his watch. Nigerians were shocked when Senator Akpan Udo-Odehe, on Channels television program Politics Today of Wednesday, September 15, 2021, revealed that the CBN governor supervised over the stealing of money in the Apex Bank, a development for which he was investigated by the EFCC and, if found wanting, prosecuted. We have waited for a week for Senator Akpan Udo-Odehe to recant on this reckless statement, or for Emefiele to repudiate the APC National Secretary. Our party insists that beyond Akpan Udo-Odehe's allegation, the tenure of Emefiele as CBN governor under the APC administration has witnessed colossal failures of monetary and fiscal policies, requiring him to vacate the office and hand himself over for investigation. It is instructive to note that when Emefiele took office as CBN governor in 2014, the naira exchanged for 164 naira to a dollar. Today, in the hands of Emefiele and the APC, the naira has tumbled to near 600 naira to a dollar, putting the nation's economy on its knees. Painfully, under the leadership of Emefiele, the CBN has failed in its core mandate of managing the economy and has taken a dive into propaganda with claims that do not reflect the harsh economic reality on the ground. The PDP therefore urges the EFCC not to allow this revelation to be swept under the carpet, as it borders on serious economic sabotage, which sanctions are clearly spelled out under our laws. Limit our issues to the fact that the APC National Secretary of their convention committee, who doubles as the National Secretary of the party, came into a public arena and made allegations. And Nigerians have waited for 1 week to enable Udo-Odehe to recant his reckless statements, or for the CBN governor to repudiate his action and comment. 1 week down the line, he's been silenced on both sides. We are standing on that same platform which Udo-Odehe has used to make such an allegation. And we said clearly that the position of our party is that in the last 1 week, Akpan Udo-Odehe ought to have recanted, or Emefiele will have repudiated him, or his office will have repudiated him for making such a comment. But as a party, we will not keep quiet and allow this matter to be swept under the carpet. We are calling for an investigation. Sir? You know our party now. You know we are with the people.